Welcome back everyone to part 3. Now in this video we need to modify manage.py to run with embedded Python, and I'm going to try to show you why this happens with a simple example. So I'm going to create a Python script named script.py, and we will run this script with traditional Python and then with embedded Python. And what I want you to know is that there is a difference in the system. Loop through the paths in sys.path. So for path in sys.path, let's print each path. That's simple. Now in the command line, I'm going to run this with traditional Python. These are the paths in the system. Desktop, which is the current directory where I ran this from the desktop, and then another 5. Now let's see the difference with embedded Python. I'm going to the embedded Python folder, and I will use Python eggs in there to run my script. So script python.py. Now when you run the same script with embedded Python, you can see that there are less paths in sys, and most important to explain why we need to modify manage.py is that it doesn't have the current directory where you are running the Python script. So this is to explain you that we need to add these 2 lines, because we will be importing from settings, and Python, the paths in sys, are not aware about where to get this from. So it's a matter of adding the current directory. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to open my site in a text editor, and in manage.py simply going to add these 2 lines. My site there, os path join os path their name file, and then add my dir to sys.path, sys.path dot append my site there. Now when we go to my site settings, we know where we are coming from. That's it for this video. It's more of a low level, let's say. It's more related to the Python interpreter than anything else, but I didn't want to just draw these 2 lines at you without an explanation. Now in the next video, I think probably the longer one, we will be creating a launcher to launch my site. Let's go!